We could not wait to show you this brand new floor plan that we have here. This is a 362 TBS by Reflection. Starting off here in the front, you have your standard bedroom. So you're going to have a queen size bed here. You're going to have storage on both sides, nice bedside table space there with outlets and USB ports to charge your devices, shelf space up top as well as overhead cabinet space, place to add a TV here, and you're going to have your AC right here. You're going to have additional dresser space right here, and then your hanging closet storage, which is also connected to the bathroom. So you got some storage down below. And then into your bathroom here, sorry it's a little dark, but you do have your rounded shower here. So you're going to have a little bit more room there. You're going to have your medicine cabinet here above your toilet, an additional cabinet here with your water heater control and sink down below. And then we will make our way into the living area. Nice and spacious here. You've got this hutch area here, so if you needed to add in extra appliances, you've got outlets there, more storage up top. Huge fridge here, microwave, 3-burner cooktop and oven, extra counter space on both sides here as well, and storage down below. Plenty of storage underneath your sink. You've got lots of counter prep space in here, huge stainless steel sink with the rolling drying tray. Then we're going to have your pantry space located right here. So lots of shelf room in here. Dinette is located right here, and you got this nice big window there with blackout shades, couple of theater reclining seats, heating and massage, LED accent lighting, cup holders, center console there for your remotes, storage up top, and across we've got your entertainment section. So you got your radio control in the middle there, you've got storage on both sides, TV down below, and storage here above your fireplace. And then we have my favorite part, which is an entirely second bedroom here that you're going to have in the rear. So you're going to have a ton of storage here. As you can see, you have this huge dresser space with closet storage. You got the ladder there that's going to take you up to this loft bed that you have up top. And then you've got your queen bed down below. And then you also have a bonus half bath in here. So really awesome floor plan that you have here. Tons of sleeping space for everybody. If you have larger families or you like to entertain, this is definitely something to check out.